Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will be creating cool 3D text effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. I had created a new layer. Now I will pick up elliptical marquee tool and create a circle over here. Now we will be filling this circle with gradient. As you can see, there are plenty of gradients. Let's change this gradient color. I will set it to blue and I will click over middle and add a pink color to it. Let's change this color to yellow. Click OK. After you find this, set this gradient, make sure gradient type should be linear. Let's drag and drop. Let's do it again in order to get perfect gradient. As you can see, we have created this. Now go to mixture brush tool. Make sure wetness is around 0% and flow is 100 and untick sampler layers. Set the load to 100%. Now increase the brush size larger than this circle. Hold down Alt and click in order to sample this color. Now create a new layer. Let's paint over here with the text. As you can see here, you will find circles. In order to fix this, go to brush settings and decrease the spacing to around 1 or 0%. Let's turn on smoothing. Now let's paint over here. Make sure foreground color should be white. As you can see, this text looks 3D and you can create many different shapes or anything you want to create. Thanks for watching this, guys.